Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here on day 5 in Olathe, Kansas. We are completely finished with our prep work for all of our King Pier holes. Monday morning we're going to get all of our steel, our load-bearing steel plates, our King Piers, and our steel shims, and we're going to get those all put in and get this footing raised back to its correct level elevation, probably mid-morning. And then after that, we'll be ready for concrete on Tuesday. We'll encase all of the piers with high-strength concrete. The interior piers in particular, we'll have the concrete poured past the footing, back up flush with the floor here, so we can re-pour that section that we removed. And then all the ones on the outside will just be poured up to the top of the footing right here. So we have the two right in here. Back in this little room, we have our third hole, but we're actually going to put 4 piers, one on that side, one right there for support, and that's it on the inside. Go outside here, take a quick walk around the home here, right outside the front. One of our support piers going right there on the corner of the foundation. These two are not King Pier holes, but they are just more stabilizers than anything. So we have a little bit of steel in there right now. We're just keeping everything properly supported. And we'll just take a quick look around here. All of these are 13 inches below the footing. Perfectly square holes. Move around a little bit more underneath this side, under the deck here. So yeah, we made very quick time on getting these ready to go. So especially with the cold weather the first half of this week, we were still able to knock out quite a bit of the digging just in those first 2 days this week. So we are moving right along on getting this completed. So that's just a quick look at everything. We are all finished up with the prep work. Everything's going to go a lot faster now starting on Monday. We'll get those piers and plates in there, get everything propped up, get the footing back to its correct level elevation. And then again on Tuesday we'll do our encasement of all the King Piers with high strength concrete. Start the initial backfill Tuesday as well, and then Wednesday simply just clean up, get the rest of the whatever's left on the backfill taken care of, get everything loaded, hauled off, and that is going to be it for this project. So the hard part's over. It's all fairly simple from here on out. So you can find those updates on our YouTube, Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. We really appreciate that. You can go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and of course you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.